as we sit quietly and begin once again to be mindful that we are sitting in a four-dimensional kingdom of purity. And realizing as we look around us that the mind of every blade of grass, the mind of every tree, the mind of every leaf, the mind of the roots, the mind of the houses around us, the streets, the light poles, they are all pure minds. They are the minds of perfect knowledge. They are the minds of the perfect knowledge of who they are or what they are. Their minds are pure in nature. They are eternal. They are filled with gratitude, with joy, with conditions that are pure in nature, that are selfless, that are perfect, that are pure and perfect. They are the very definition of beauty in the deepest sense of the word. And as our attention continues to draw out farther and farther away from us, as we become more and more aware of the awakeness of all of nature all around us, we become aware of the electromagnetic field of the earth, the earth's electromagnetic field freely passing through our bodies. Freely purifying us, freely latching onto the electricity that is part of the electromagnetic field, allowing the electricity the freedom it needs to return to its mother, to return to its creator, to return to the earth's spinning core. As we sit, mindful, aware of the awakeness all around us, of the awakeness of purity and perfect knowledge, extending eternally in every direction. As we are more and more and more aware of the awakeness and the living knowledge all around us, we are also aware of the action of the Earth's electromagnetic field, the three-dimensional action of the Earth's electromagnetic field, drawing the electricity out of our bodies, purifying our bodies, in a sense, drawing the electricity out of our bodies, separating the electricity from the temptations of obsession. Separating the electricity from the conditions of obsession. As we sit in this eternal kingdom of all knowledge, all living knowledge, all awakened, wide awake, fully aware, happy, joyous, compassionate, perfect knowledge. Every piece of knowledge knowing its rightful place in the kingdom of purity and celebrating with all other knowledge that it is the knowledge of the universe. And as the Earth's electromagnetic field, the three-dimensional electromagnetic field continues to draw down, passing freely through our body, latching on to all of the electricity in our body, everywhere, drawing it out. We witness the death of everything that has caused blindness to the kingdom of purity and to the knowledge and awakeness and awareness and its conditions of joy and peace and love and wisdom. And astoundingly pure and perfect happiness. As the electromagnetic field passes through us, liberating us from our obsessions, as our awareness and awakeness of the actual location and presence of all self-knowledge of the fourth dimension extending to eternity. Let every part of our body celebrate. Every part of our body does celebrate the awakenness of pure health. Of the purity that comes immediately upon the death of the two-dimensional conditions that blinded us. As our brain recognizes that the mind of the universe is the true mind of our brain, of our nervous system, of all of the organs and functions of our body. As the brain comes to recognize the two-dimensional temptations are dead, that the personalities that related to those conditions of obsession have died. And that we are the purity, and that we have been the purity all along. That we are the kingdom of purity, the knowledge of every part and piece and location of the kingdom of purity. That we are a place that welcomes the pure light of the fifth dimension, the very presence of God, the voice of God, the knowledge of God.